Okay, so in previous part we learned how we can like install the necessary document for the KLayout and in Lumerical interconnect. So in this part we will show an example of WDM, Wavelength Division Multiplexing, that you can find the resource of this example the Ansys website. You can download this file and so follows this instruction. So actually we have two steps. So in this step one, we will do the circuit layout. So we will create our circuit in the KLayout. So we have different elements like a grading coupler, waveguides, and Y branch. So we will connect the component together. So based on the rule that PDK determined to us. So here we use Loom Foundry PDK, and we have a GDS file. And then we will import the circuit netlist to the Lumerical interconnect. Let's see. Let's first open the file. So let's extract the file. So as you can see here, the file is extracted. And now, so in the first step, we need to open the GDS file. So I will open the GDS file. So in the GDS file, as you see here, so we have a grading coupler here. So then we have Mach sender here, and then another Mach sender here, and then another two grating like this part as a detector, as output. So, and then another two grating here. So you see here is a WDM. We want to analyze the frequency domain of our circuit. So I will show you how you can change the wiring, how you can insert the elements. But let's in this part let's focus on this example first. So let's follow the instruction. Then okay, so first we need to select the technology. So in the technology, if I go to file and layout properties, so you can see, you can find the Loom Foundry, because we copied the Loom Foundry in the KLayout directory. So for this reason we can see this. So, and then we will click the OK. So we will click yes. So in the next step, we need to go to the Ansys Lumerical circuit simulation, export circuit to the netlist. You can see that we can load the WDM.lsf that exists in the folder that you download. So I put the name as a top, and then I will click OK. So after I clicked OK, so Lumerical interconnect will show up, and you see that you can see a visualizer, that in the visualizer we have like four output that you can see the frequency domain of the signal. So like this is for input 1, input 1 as a blue, input 2 as a green, input 3 as a red, and input 4 as magenta. So so regarding to the LSF that we load in the in the KLayout, let's open here. So the LSF is very like simple. So it shows that we have a like optical network analyzer, and then we connect our optical network analyzer to the top module that we defined in the KLayout. So make sure that the name like top here is the same as the name that we put in the KLayout, and then we extract the data of optical network analyzer, and we visualize the data. So you can change the parameter, you can put another like waveguide or another items that you need here. So but the purpose of this part is to connect the KLayout to the Lumerical interconnect.